Hi guys, welcome to IT Expert again. In today's video, we will use Outlook to create email signatures to save time on typing. To create a new signature, we need to click on New Email to begin. On both the Message and the Insert tab, you'll see the Signature drop-down. Go ahead and click on Signatures, then New to create a new signature. You'll now need to name your signature. Enter a name for your signature and click OK to proceed. Now it's time to design your signature. In the signature editor, you can customize the text. Add the desired details, such as your name, job title, and company, along with a closing remark or any additional information you'd like to include. You can create as many signatures you need, also use for templates, and when you're happy with the design, click OK to save. When starting a new email, your default signature automatically appears in the body of the email. There you go. Follow us for more and write on the comments if you have any special requests. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.